How to make throw face edit on CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC, import the picture or the video. After that, import the throw face picture. After you import it, drag it to the timeline where you want it to start. Then click on the picture, which is the throw face, and you can simply adjust where you want and which size you want. After you have done that, to add some effect, click on filter at the top. In here, search for filters, search black gold and add black gold filter. After you have added that, make sure intensity is 55. After that, again, go to search for effects and search rebounds swing. Add rebound swing. Make sure it's where your throw face starts. Then make speed 100, size 5, and strength 10. After you have done that, you can simply again search for black flash on the effect. Add black flash. Then, after you have added black flash, make sure speed is 100. Make sure all your effects and filter is in the throw face. Then add audio, whichever audio you want. You can import, add audio of CapCut. After you're done adding audio, simply play and you're good to go. This is how to make throw face edit on CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.